I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to update your profile details on WorldRemit, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the WorldRemit app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Once logged in, find the Profile or Account Settings section, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. In the Profile settings, look for an option that says Edit Profile or Update Details to begin making changes. Step 4. Update your information. Change the necessary details like your name, address, or phone number. Make sure to double check for any typos. A common mistake is forgetting to save changes after editing, so look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Step 5. Confirm changes. After saving, you may receive a confirmation email or notification. Check your inbox to ensure everything was updated correctly. Updating your profile on WorldRemit is straightforward if you follow these steps. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy transferring!